Hello lovely viewer, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share a journey with you and my experience making this bread and of course these donuts. But wait, I have an amazing gift for you. Make sure you download this free ebook on your screen right there. It is 20 plus ingredients you can add to your homemade bread, and of course it is your homemade bread, so why can't you have it in a more nutritious, delicious and enticing way? So the link to the ebook will be in the description section. Remember, it is totally free. Now let's dive into today's video. In my flour I added my sugar, I added some nutmeg, salt, liquid flavor. The full recipe will be in the description section, and of course I added my yeast. I call this recipe coconut milk bread and donuts. It was so delicious. I incorporated everything and added an egg, about quarter cup of honey, and of course my liquid milk. So you can add about a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. This is totally optional. It is just to assist the yeast in performing its action. And of course my coconut milk. I really love coconut milk, so I added about 1.5 cups of coconut milk and made my dough. One thing about donuts is that you need to knead it very well. You need to knead it very well. Hey, and my kneading journey, guys. I'm going to share my experience with you kneading this donut. So confession time. Yeah, the thing is I'm trying to perfect my donut making. So after making my dough, I added my margarine. So add your margarine after making your dough, about 1.5 tablespoons of margarine, and incorporate everything together. So about my kneading method, so I used mortar and pestle. Yeah, I recently learned that from somebody. Yes, using mortar and pestle. So if you don't have a mixer, or you don't want to use the hand kneading method, you can use mortar and pestle. Yeah, after washing, make sure you wash very well. And then I was using I used the flour, some flour to knit in my mortar and pestle. I'm not sure I'll be using this method again because it was so stressful. Oh my god. So after about 30 minutes of pounding, I was tired, so I just had to stop and molded my dough for the bread into my baking pan and allowed it to proof a bit, and then I went ahead to bake. So what I did was that I remained a little bit of the dough and made sure that I pounded it very well just for the donuts, because I wanted the donut to come out very well, so I couldn't just risk it. So I used all my strength, but it wasn't easy. So my bread was delicious. It came out soft, it came out fluffy, and I really love it. And for the donuts, one secret tip about making donuts and bread is that you have to make sure that it is properly kneaded, and you have to allow your dough to rise very well, especially for the donuts. If you want it to come out fine, you have to allow it to rise very well, and you have to knead very well. Thank you so much if you're a returning viewer, if you're a new viewer, if you're a new subscriber. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like this video. So I had to do the gluten test method for the dough. So once you press down with your thumb, it pops up, and you can use the window pane method. This is the window pane method, where your dough does not tear easily, so that means it is well kneaded. So I had to mold it into balls. This is 50-gram balls each, and allowed it to proof. You have to allow it to proof very well. I left it for about an hour to proof very well, and I fried. So for the frying, you have to make sure that your oil is hot, and after then you fry on the low heat. You can see that my dough has properly proofed. So I was just picking and dropping into the oil. So after dropping into the oil, do not flip immediately. Leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes before you flip, and the yummy donuts is ready. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to download the free ebook and let me know your thoughts about the book. Donut was fluffy, it was delicious, and I really love it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed my story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.